Welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you how to design flyer using Canva.com. Let's say for instance you don't have knowledge on how to use Adobe Photoshop to design a flyer for your business or for your services that you render to people that you want to use to create an ad on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to design flyer using a simple drag and drop website called Canva.com. And this Canva.com I'm going to use is going to be the free version. That simply means you can actually design your flyer using free version of Canva.com. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for those who are subscribed, and those who are yet to subscribe, please hit the notification bell and you will get notified each time I release new content on this channel. My channel has been growing slowly but steadily. Thank you. Now let's move on to Canva. This is Canva.com and this is the interface of Canva.com. You can see from my right hand side here, you see the free version of Canva. Now let's say you want a certificate. You can actually hover over this and you'll see you want to create invitation card, YouTube thumbnail, videos, YouTube channel app, Instagram post, poster, logo, and so many other presentation, Facebook post, flyer. Just hover onto flyer. Now let's say for instance this is a scratch beginning of designing your flyer. Let's say for instance you don't want to start from the beginning, you want to pick a template to use. All you just need to do is look out from this template here and pick one that you actually love or like that you want to use. Let's say for instance you love this and you want to use it, so all you just need to do is click on this and add whatever note you want to add. Let's say for instance click on it and say walk home, walk at home. Now you can decide to write whatever content you want to write, and over that then you hover onto download and then click on PNG or JPEG you want to use and you'll be able to download it. Let's say for instance you want to download this image, and let's say for instance you actually want to pick another flyer to use for your business. Let's say you want this. All you just need to do, you can add as a new page, you'll be able to download it. But if you want to replace this current page, you can actually do that. Let's say for instance you want to add a new page. Now for instance you can see we have two pages here. Number one, the one we just downloaded here, which is this image, and then number two, the one we just added here. And let's say for instance after editing all this, and do not forget any picture you see Canva on it, you will not be able to download it. Why? Because you need a pre version. This is a watermark on the picture. All you just need to do is remove that. Let's say you have to add an element to your photo. Just come to element, tap whatever element you want. Let's say you want to add a Christmas tree on your design. Just click on Christmas tree and bring it down here. And then let's say for instance you want to download this image instead of the other one. Just click on this, and then when you see all pages, do not click on all pages. Just click on this. That means it will download the second image for you. That means page 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get notified each time I release new content. Thank you.